Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on cool inventions for roof of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are. Product 1, Raptor Gutter Guard. The Raptor Gutter Guard is a premium solution designed to prevent debris buildup in gutters, ensuring efficient water flow and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. It is constructed using contractor-grade stainless steel micromesh, offering durability and longevity in various weather conditions. The kit includes 48 feet of gutter guard, with each section measuring 5.5 inches by 4 feet. This size is suitable for most standard gutters, providing comprehensive coverage to keep leaves, twigs, and other debris out, while allowing water to pass through freely. Any of the key features of the Raptor Gutter Guard is its micromesh design, which effectively blocks even small particles from entering the gutter system. This prevents clogs and blockages that can lead to water damage to the roof, siding, and foundation of the building. Installation of the Raptor Gutter Guard is straightforward, making it accessible for both enthusiasts and professional contractors. With its durable stainless steel construction and effective debris blocking, it provides a reliable and low-maintenance solution for keeping gutters clean and functional, helping to preserve the integrity of the entire building's. Product 2, Product name QuietCool Solar Powered Roof Mount Attic Fan. QuietCool 40-watt solar powered roof mount attic fan is a revolutionary product designed to address the issue of excessive heat buildup in attics. This attic fan is specifically engineered to provide efficient ventilation and cooling while consuming minimal energy, thanks to its solar-powered operation. Any of the standout features of the QuietCool attic fan is its low-noise operation, hence the name QuietCool. This makes it an ideal solution for homeowners looking to maintain a comfortable living environment without the disturbance of noisy fans. The solar-powered design of the fan is not only environmentally friendly, but also helps reduce electricity costs by harnessing the power of the sun to operate. This makes it a sustainable choice for homeowners interested in reducing their carbon footprint. Product 3, Product name GoV Permanent Outdoor Lights. GoV Permanent Outdoor Lights represent a cutting-edge solution for outdoor illumination, offering a blend of versatility, durability, and smart functionality. With its smart RGBIC technology, these lights provide an extensive range of 75 scene modes, allowing users to customize their outdoor ambience according to various occasions and moods. Featuring 72 LED eaves lights, these lights ensure bright and vibrant illumination across a 100-feet area. Make Product 4. Product name Letskapin Solar Powered Shed Light. Letskapin Solar Powered Shed Light is an innovative lighting solution designed for various indoor spaces, such as sheds, garages, shops, and barns. This solar pendant light comes equipped with a remote control for convenient operation, allowing users to adjust the brightness and settings from a distance. Any of its notable features is its large solar panel, which efficiently harnesses sunlight to power the 228 LED lights. With a luminous flux of 2000 lumens, this solar light emits a super bright illumination, ensuring adequate visibility in the designated area. The versatility of the Letskapin solar-powered shed light makes it suitable for a range of applications, providing sustainable and reliable lighting without the need for traditional electricity sources. Its white color variant complements various interior designs while offering ample brightness for tasks or general illumination. Overall, the Product 5. Product name Drainage Trench. A drainage trench, often referred to as a channel drain with a grate, is a practical solution for managing excess water runoff in various settings, including residential, commercial, and industrial areas. This system typically consists of a trench-like structure lined with a grate cover, allowing water to flow into the channel while preventing debris from clogging the drain. The drainage trench mentioned specifically a black plastic channel Product 6 Product name Aquarius Blinds. We've got another treat for natural light enthusiasts. Check out these electric blinds and awnings from Aquarius Blinds. The experts use them to cover skylights, glass hatches, and similar structures, all the way up to 6.8 by 13 meters. Awnings can be crafted from a variety of sun protection or shading fabrics. You can also order blinds in different styles like aluminium or wood, and of course, these upgrades are easy to configure from your smartphone and seamlessly integrate in. Product 7 Product name Brevis Promina. Their cooling solution is the Brevis Promina. This evaporative cooling system is a game changer in areas with both heat and low humidity. It works simply. A fan blows mist into the air, and when the air is dry, the water evaporates, cooling the temperature. All that's left is to guide the